Tate's Big Shop. Pumpkin spice cookies with white chocolate chips. I can smell some spices, maybe some butter, something else. I don't know if there's pumpkin in these or not. Anyway. Okay, these are real crunchy. It's one of the best thing about Tate's. I really enjoy their chocolate chip cookies. These are pleasant enough. I expected more, to be honest. Like I said, Tate's makes great cookies. These are fine. If they were like half the price, I would give them a pass. But these are just generally too expensive, especially with the price of everything these days. So unfortunately, these are a fail.